FX Nation, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. And I just wanted to make a quick video, guys, to bring something to everyone's attention. We all know that there are hundreds of thousands of brokers that are out there that we use all the time. Most of the brokers, though, are unregulated, right? And so we know that using an unregulated broker comes with great risk, because probably they could do anything they want with your money, and there's no kind of legal recourse that you would have, essentially to try to regain your money or whatnot. So I found this to be interesting when it was brought up to my attention. So let me just share it with you so I can hopefully give you guys and keep you guys safe from your money being lost to one of these brokers. All right, so what I'm talking about, guys, is going to be any broker. This pertains to any broker that says that they are registered and are regulated by the Financial Services Authority, specifically in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Okay, so if the broker is specifically in this country, and they say that they are regulated by the Financial Services Authority, please pay attention to this. Okay, this is an alert by the Financial Services Authority back in June 2021, and here's what it says. So the FSA does not issue any licenses to carry on the businesses of Forex trading or brokerage or binary options trading, nor does the FSA regulate, monitor, supervise, license IBCs which engage in such activities. Basically, what does this mean? They're basically telling you and warning people that if there is a broker, because there's a lot of them that run out of this country, that says or states that they are regulated by the FSA, they're lying. And that you should definitely avoid doing business with them. So you should avoid doing business with them. And here they go into, the members of the public are asked to note the following warning signs of a Forex scam. Right? And so they go through all the list of different things here. Okay, so here's the main point that I want to get to, is just the fact that if you are using one of these brokers in this country and they say that they're regulated by the FSA, they're lying to you. And I would highly recommend that you stop doing business with them and that you move your money to an actual real broker that's regulated. If you ask me what regulated brokers I'd recommend, I'm always going to recommend the same brokers, because I know that they work and I know that they're regulated, right? So, and those brokers are Oanda, FX Choice, Forex.com, IG, right? So those brokers I've personally used or still use, and they're regulated, right? I know that they're good, that my money's safe, it's protected. And so I want to make sure that your money is safe and protected. And so if you're dealing with these brokers that are out in the middle of these islands here, just know that your money's not safe. Please take your money out of those brokers and put them into real brokers. I would hate to have something happen to your money that you worked your ass off for, to let something like this happen. Okay, if you literally do a quick Google search on Google on St. Vincent and the Grenadines Forex brokers, okay, I mean, you get a bunch of stuff, right? So, I mean, this is like literally the first one. If you go here, it gives you a list of all the Forex brokers here that are registered there. And I'm sure a lot of people know a lot of these brokers or have heard a lot of these brokers, right? So there's one list. I mean, here's another list as well. Right? And so here's the important part is I found that regulation, right? FSA, we know that this is a lie. Okay, because they're telling us that this is a lie. They're telling us that this is not true, right? So all these brokers here that say that they are regulated by the FSA are lying. Okay, all these numbers here, these are just registration numbers that they're registered, that they have to register their business, right? They have to register the business, so that's the registration number. That's all it is. But all of these brokers here that you could see, they're just lying to you guys. So if you're trading with any of these brokers, I would highly recommend that you seek, other brokerage, a different brokerage. Okay? I would highly recommend that. And then also, I've noticed that pretty much a lot of these brokers are using the same address right here. Suite 305, Griffith Corporate Center. This right here, this address is literally used on hundreds of brokers' websites. So please, please, please beware. Okay, this is just literally a list off of Google from a quick Google search of Forex brokers out there. Just be aware of what's going on. So any brokers out there that are out in this place here, I would just avoid. All right, so just thought I'd make this quick video, guys. Do your own research. You can Google search all this stuff and you'll find this goes a lot deeper than this. Okay, this goes into St. Vincent being a good tax haven and stuff like that for offshore companies. I mean, there's a whole bunch of stuff that goes into this island here, and there's a reason why a lot of brokers are registered here. Exercise good caution. I hope that hopefully nobody here is that watches this video is with any of these brokers. If you are, I would highly recommend you seek a different brokerage. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Guys, we have less than a week before our new mentoring class starts. So if you're interested in that, check out the links in the description. And also FXM Plus service is ongoing as well. If you need help with finding directional bias, that's going to be a service for you. All right, guys. Thank you so much and have a great rest of your week.